Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my channel, and in today's episode I'm going to be talking about working as an international student in the United States. Now, if you've always wanted to know how to work as a student when on a student visa, then this video is for you. Okay, so if you've not subscribed to the channel, do not forget to do so by clicking the subscribe button below. Do not forget to give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Do not forget to drop a comment if you have any question. And without further ado, let's get started. So one thing that the idea that people usually have when they are coming here to study is that you can work when you're not in school. So most people think they can work to pay their tuition and enjoy life, American life. No, you cannot. You cannot just get a job anywhere and say, well, you're going to be doing school part-time and working and doing all sorts of that. It does not work like that. Okay, for you to work outside of the school, you need a certain type of permission, and for the school to give you that permission, the work has to do with something. The work must be something that is closely related to what you're studying. Number one. So it's called CPT. It's curriculum practical training. CPT. You can go search CPT and what it means. So now the idea is that when you get here, you're allowed to learn like in your field as well, not just in school. Okay, so what that means is that if you get approved for CPT, you can work for a company while you're doing school at the same time, right? So that's number one. The second thing is that you cannot apply for CPT unless you've been in school for a year. So it means you cannot come and apply for CPT that same semester. You must have completed 2 full semesters of academic work before you apply for CPT and get approved. Now, applying for CPT means you have a job offer already, right? Internship. I wouldn't call it a job. You have an internship offer already, and you're telling your school that I need the permission to go work for this company as an intern, right? Now, that's key for you to be able to like get your CPT. Okay, you need to submit an offer letter from the company you will be interning with, and then you need to like the authorization before you can start working. If you work without getting this permission, it might affect you when you apply for your optional practical training, which is what you get at the end of your academic pursuits, that allows you to work for a while before leaving the US for your country. Okay, so take note, you need a job offer. You cannot get started until after 1 year of being here, and also you're not allowed to be on CPT for a whole year. What that means is that the maximum you can do with your CPT is 11 months in a year, which means you're not allowed to like work for 12 months on your CPT status. It's like a permission to work. Okay, so you're not allowed to do more than 11 months in a year, right? So what people do is that they apply for CPT, they get started with it, and then they work for 11, like they do the internship for 11 months, then they take a break, then they continue work the same work next year. Like they just make sure that they don't do 12 calendar months on the CPT. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, if you've not seen my video about how to get internship position as an international student in the United States, then I'm going to link it up somewhere for you to see. It's a very good video. I narrated my experience of applying and getting internship, even though I couldn't like resume because of the coronavirus thing. That's one. Now that you understand that, it doesn't mean you cannot work on campus. You can work on campus. All of the things that I've said earlier on is about working off campus. Now, if you intend to work on campus, the maximum number of hours that you can work on campus as an international student is 20 hours per week. You cannot do more than that. So if you do more than that, you're violating your visa rules or visa regulation or whatever it is they call it. But if you're on CPT, you can definitely work more than 20 hours. If, as a matter of time, I think you can do, I have no idea, but you're not limited by 20 hours per week. You can work more than 20 hours per week, as long as it does not affect your other academic commitments. Okay, now on campus you can work 20 hours per week as an international student, and you don't need a CPT to work on campus. no matter the type of job you are doing on campus, you don't need a CPT. As long as you're a student, you're allowed to do 20 hours on campus without any form of special permission. Okay, so that's the main difference between working on campus and working off campus. Now, obviously, most of the time working off campus pays more, but also you should mind the fact that very rarely would you see like a job that would be structured around your academic pursuits. So what that means is that they really don't care if you have class by 9 a.m. They just want you to get the job done. But if you're working on campus, you can tell them, this is my class schedule. I cannot come to work by 9 a.m. Fix me for 3 p.m. They will do that. They are mandated to do that according to school regulation. Okay, so that's like the good side of working on campus as against working off campus. Working off campus, your boss wouldn't care. The goal is to get the job done, right? So most people don't do, like, except in like very, very few situations where like it's a special circumstance, most people don't do internship. Most people are not on CPT when they are taking full credit load. What that means is that they just register for internship, pay the school the fee that they're supposed to pay, and they go to the company and work for them full time, right? So, and then when they are done, usually 6 months, 8 months, they come back to school to complete their degree, right? So that's important for you to know, right? Because people assume that you can come here and then get a job, use the money to pay your tuition. No, it does not work like that. Don't be a victim of that mindset, okay? So you can get a job if you know how to apply and do all sort of things that you're supposed to do, like I explained in my video. But you should know that internship, like CPT, are meant strictly for internship, okay? And that you're supposed to be working for a company in like a field that relates to what you're studying in school. Because at the end of every semester, when you're on CPT, you write like a detailed report of what you're doing for the company. That's how you get grade for the internship that you're doing, okay? So I hope this gives you some insight about like getting a job and working off campus as an international student, or working generally as an international student in the United States. If you like the video, if you like the video, do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to share and drop a comment. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.